Just a day after the token fast of Anna Hazare at Jantar Mantar, Arvind Kejriwal hit out at Parliament once again, saying that the credibility of the symbol of democracy was at stake. He questioned the furor over his comments regarding Parliament when movies had been talking of it openly. As leaders cutting across party lines objected to Team Anna's language against MPs, activist Arvind Kejriwal claimed that the current Parliament has a serious problem of credibility, as there are 162 lawmakers with criminal records. By pointing a finger at the anti-corruption team, he felt it was not acceptable. Reacting to the sharp criticism faced by Team Anna in Lok Sabha for its language, he said Parliament should recognize the problem. If people are losing faith in Parliament, then it is a serious problem of credibility. They should do introspection. With a large number of people involved in corrupt practices, it is his view that the Lokpal Bill is being purposely delayed.
Recently a film released, Pan Singh Tomar, when whose hero said robbers live in Parliament, then all audience appreciated him and clapped on his dialogue. It is really said, it is extremely important that parliamentarians need to introspect on this matter. You will get nothing to target me. If you want to solve this problem, then clean image leaders will enter in the Parliament and will bring Lokpal Bill, then the problem will be solved.
He said the parties which nominated these lawmakers have actually insulted Parliament and not Team Anna. Kejriwal said MPs should introspect why people were losing faith in Parliament. When asked about losing support of political parties by attacking them, he said it is the duty of Parliament to pass laws. He said he was not painting all the MPs with a single brush and that he had clearly talked about 162 MPs who were facing criminal cases.
When the political parties are opted trained candidates, then they didn't insult of the Parliament. When the Rajniti Prasad tore the Lokpal Bill inside the Parliament and not a single MP objected it. Even when the women reservation bill was tore in the Parliament floor, that was not insulting.